Don't be shifting my smile to the left. Put my shit in the middle. She said this tooth is turning. So they're out to redo it. I hate this.
You see it? On the top? Yeah. Yeah, so you need to push them up a little bit.
I suppose that's a little better. Kind of like grinding. Because I don't think you hoes understand. For a gay bitch. For a gay bitch. For a gay bitch. Alright, so what's up, y'all? It's Promise with a C. And welcome back to my channel. We are done got into the video, so we can't really do that. But you know what's up. I had me an appointment today. Dang, y'all. I forgot to ask them how much longer. I think I get them off in the next March, but I got backtracked some just so y'all know because I had them replace my gold brackets. But y'all, I'm really trying not to get discouraged because I actually had a really dope appointment. But like at the end, it was this lady who kind of like just shifted my energy. She just was like sassy. She had an attitude or something. But y'all, so y'all, let me tell y'all what happened in my monthly appointment. So I went in. How you doing, Promise? How you doing, Promise? It was wonderful. I'm so glad I got somebody who knew what they was doing today. So she was like, I'm gonna pop this bracket off because yeah, you might feel some pressure. I'm gonna pop this bracket off because yeah, you might feel some pressure. And I'm like, well, why are you popping my bracket off? I said, well, I let her pop it first. I said, what was that for? She said, because your tooth is turning, so we have to place the bracket on there different. So this tooth, it's overlapping. Right there. It's straight. You see it? And no, my teeth ain't yellow. Or is they? No, they not. No, they not. So I got some wax down there on that teeth because yeah, y'all, they had to replace my bracket. I really don't like getting my brackets replaced no more because it's not painful, but that blue light, like when you get your nails done, same blue light, that kind of hurts. It burns. So y'all, I got my bracket replaced, and I mentioned to her, I didn't tell y'all, the girl who busted my lip in my last appointment, her thing she put on my teeth, that wire was poking me a little bit after my appointment that last time. So I just made sure that wasn't poking, girl, y'all. And at first I was looking at pink and purple as far as colors, and then I was looking at purple and gold because I'm like, I like gold. I want to keep gold. So I was gonna put gold on my bottom this time because I had it on my top, and I was gonna put purple on my top. But y'all, they told me, guess what they told me? They told me I don't need no power chain on my bottom, and it was kind of traumatizing and heartbreaking. I'm not even gonna lie, because I just got so used to having a power chain all across my tooth. But guess what? I said, can I do rainbow? I said, can I do rainbow? And she said, yes. I'm like, what? I must have got a good person because our last time I just had a power chain, so I couldn't do it because you can't do it with a power chain. She said, yes, girl. So look, and at first she was just doing like the basic colors of the rainbow, and I'm like, I want the whole rainbow. I want pink in there for sure. So y'all, Oh, wait, what's that? Red? Oh. I think. Wait. Your girl got the rainbow in her mouth for the gay ones, y'all. And that's on LGBTQ, period. I said I would never be wearing no rainbow stuff, but baby. I got it in my mouth. And I got black on my top. Because I'm like, she said, you still want purple on your top? And I'm like, well, what do you think? Maybe I should do black. She like, yeah, girl. So guess what, y'all? This my favorite appointment by far. It was no knickknacks and hicks and lip busting in here either. So yeah, I made sure she cut those wires. I don't think y'all understand how happy I am to have a rainbow in my mouth. And it's no power chain on my bottom because they're not trying to put too much pressure on this one because they got to turn. But I'm not gonna lie, when she put that wire back on my bottom, that crap kind of hurt a little. I was like, ouch. She said, yes, pressure is in it. Yes, girl. I also got me some more platypus orthodontist floss because I've been searching for mine and I can't seem to find none of my flosses. And you know what makes me mad, what really grinds me up? Is when I have regular floss. I have regular ones of these, and then I have my platypus ones. These are for braces. 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 And then somebody want to come in to my house and use these. Well, you can clearly see, say, orthodontic flossers. Not human that can floss with regular flossers. And so, platypus get you right. If you got braces, you better get you some or a water pick. But they say it's good to use a regular floss too. So yeah, y'all, my appointment went really good. Let me tell y'all about the lady at the end, and then we're gonna go back to the good note because we ended on a good note. See, babies, we not letting nobody ruin our day. So I go up there and she's like, you ready to schedule your appointment? And I'm like, yeah. And she's like, well, she said, okay, give me a second. What day? Well, what time? I said mornings, preferably Thursdays or Fridays. She said, what did she say? She said, okay, I'm scheduling you for 8:45, October 20th. I said, that's a Thursday, right? She said, you asked for a Thursday, right? And I'm looking like, is she being smart or did I really ask for a Thursday? Because I said Thursday or Friday. Or like, I'm trying to figure out, is she really genuinely asking me that question? Maybe I'm tripping. Tell me, see, babies, if I'm tripping. Maybe I was tripping when she said, you asked for Thursday, right? But I don't know. Tone and presence is everything. And I feel like she was being slick right there. And I said, yeah. Because I was just genuinely asking what day it was. Because was it a Thursday or a Friday? Why you getting slick? But y'all, this appointment was by far the best. Your girl got a rainbow. And I can see what show up. Have I ever had this color? I think I had this and this. You heard. But no hair chain. My teeth is weird at the bottom. Look. They're like slanted. Or am I slanted? So this power chain is going to give them time to breathe, I guess. And get this one time to change. And y'all, I only got to wear my rubber bands at night. I low-key like the look of rubber bands. I'm not even gonna lie. I just love having that shit in my mouth, like, throughout the day so people can see. But I'm goddamn happy I only gotta wear that shit at night. Because what? When you wake up from rubber bands at night, your jaw be like you be having locked jaw. But y'all, this appointment is by far the best. Go get you some braces, get a bag and fix your teeth. Don't let these hoes mess with you because you ain't cheap. And I'll see you next time, see babies. Peace. Y'all, I noticed the smallest things is making me cringe. Look. Look at that. Oh, hell no. That looks weird. What the hell? I don't make it straight. What the fuck? I'm not gonna lie, y'all. It kind of feel like my teeth is shifted to the left. Like, look, this is the middle. This is the middle. Look at this. This is supposed to be right here. This is supposed to be right here. This is supposed to be right here. Not this right here. Please don't let me start looking, because your girl's about to start cringing real bad. See? Why do my smile feel lopsided? Like, look. That's okay. But this, it's actually right here. Don't be shifting my smile to the left. Put my shit in the middle. Don't be having my hoe too. Like, see? The top teeth ain't even lined up. It's on the whole the right tooth. Y'all. Peace. Oh, y'all. Nah, listen to you. Ah.